Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it's this guy right here. It's a mini charger. It's a portable charger power bank of 8,000 milliamp hour power bank. And well, I want to show it to you. Let's check it out. So what's cool is when you check it online, it's mainly intent for an iPhone, but it can work for Android. Basically, the reason why is because it has USB-C and it has the standard iPhone connection. So it's a built-in fast charger. So let's go ahead and get into this as we already are. Let me show you that. Mini charger, small as lipstick, it says. So I'd say I'd be the judge of that, but I don't wear lipstick, so we'll figure it out together. All right, so what do you get in the box? You get a user's manual, or user manual, let me be clear. And it gives you the diagram of what's all involved with this, what's in it, the connections, the power buttons, what the lights mean, everything about that. We can delve into that just a little bit later. So your charging cable, which is a USB-A and a USB-C connection. And then I think all that is left, yes, is this guy in this little bag, the star of the show. Okay, all right, well, it's got some heft to it. All right, we'll go through it real quick. You got a power button over here. Yep, I'm pretty sure you press it once, it'll give you what the power bank is sitting at power-wise. You do have this nub up here, which you will pull off and you can plug in your iPhone. This is mainly for an iPhone connection. Then you will have this kind of hidden connection up underneath that you will, oh, I see what's going on. You've got to kind of finagle it out, but once it's out, you can go ahead and twist it, and there you go. Now you have the way that you can connect your USB-C and charge it up as well. Here is for this cable to charge up, and then back here is your stand. So while you have it connected to this, you can use this to keep the phone from falling too far back. You can use it for display purposes. I believe you can also probably set it up like so to do that. Actually, it'll press against it, so you'll have to do that if you wanted to do that. Okay, here is the, let me see, double click or press and hold. Press and hold as it is. That's a pretty good flashlight. Sorry about that, shining in your eyes, but that's a pretty decently bright flashlight. So the best way to probably put this together is, let's go ahead and demonstrate real quick the iPhone. So what you want to do is kind of peel that guy in there, keep that flat, peel this guy back, and let's go ahead, and I have an iPhone. Yes, I am team Android, but I do have my wife actually. She has an iPhone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and plug this in real quick. Look at that, it's already 81% charged, but it is charging now. And you can see that up there in the top, it is charging. I have this on backwards actually, people, so let's go ahead and turn this around. Let's try that again. Let's go ahead and put that in, boom. And see, you've got the case, so it takes in, it kind of accommodates for the case here. So now we have this sitting at the bottom, but let's say you wanna go ahead and check out your phone while it's charging. So you can set that guy like so, still watch a video, read an article, whatever it is you need to do while your phone's operating. You have it sitting with this little arm holding it out. Now, let's see, will it do the same thing with this? It sure will. It's a little crooked, but it still works. Yep, it still works. Its main intent, though, of course, is to do something like that. So now that I pulled this out, let me go ahead and push this in, pull out my USB-C connection. Let's try this all over again. So now it says it can do both at the same time. I'm gonna plug that in. It is showing a charge. Let me bend that back there so you can see it is showing a charge right there. And I have an Android here. This is my daily driver. Let me go ahead and put that in. There it is charging there, and there is that. As you can see here, it is showing that it is 81%, it is charging here, and it is also charging that. So this is an 8,000 milliamp hour battery, so it won't charge both phones fully, but at least it'll give you a little extra juice if you need both phones to charge, or if you're trying to just give it a little bit more. Maybe you're one of those guys that are a little bit worried and you're down about 70%, so you need to top it off a little. There you go. But again, I like the simplicity of the design. It's basically a in-use charging device. So if you don't have the cable and you can't connect to your phone and you're out somewhere where you need to get a little bit of juice for your phone, you plug it in, but it also allows it to still be usable. You can still click on it, you can still check your emails, you can surf the internet, and then of course when you're all said and done, again, away from some power source, you can go ahead and collapse this little guy up, close that off, and then you've got a flashlight. So good little safety tool. Well, I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time, and I'm out.